Greetings and welcome. This video today is going to be about ancestor money. I was in the process of burning some myself right now, and I said, hey, why don't you just show everyone what you do as far as burning my ancestor money. So this is ancestor money, or some people may call it Josh money. That is the Jade Emperor. I know you may say, oh, he's Asian. Some people may, or you may not, but it doesn't matter all about that. This is what you need to get. Get you some ancestors' money, burn it. It'll help relieve you. If it's your financial debt, relieve the debt of your ancestors. So what I do is I usually burn, like a couple of people asked me to burn for them today. So I'm going to write their name on the back and burn it. I usually keep it. I use a little tray like this, so you get your ancestor money in a little tray. And I keep the ashes. So here's one. Shout out to my sister Nicole. This one is for you. So I write her name on it. And blowing her much success in her new career. And the mantra that I'm playing, it's a money mantra, actually. You can YouTube that as well. I don't know. Does it work? Yes, it does work. I listen to different mantras all the time. When you're cleaning your house, it's good to play some mantras. Even if you're not cleaning your house should be clean, but you know what I mean. So this is for her. Then you fold it towards you. I'm always bringing the energy in. And then you burn it. Ta-da. Just like that. Keep it simple. Life is easy. Bringing nothing but prosperity. And all the new things that she's about to endure, so that her ancestors will help clear the way, strengthen her. All right, and you just burn it. Burn it, make sure it's burnt, and drop it in there. And I keep my ashes. I keep my ashes for about 6 months. Shout out to Sri Master Gano. I keep my ancestor money, the ashes, for about 6 months, and then I do a ritual where you take all the ancestor money, you insert 3, or I think I usually use, is it 3? Yeah, 3 or 2. You can get 2. I think I did 2, telling you the truth. And put some, a green stone, it could be jade, moldavite, whatever type of green stone, inside the bag. Find a nice forest or a river or something secluded. And that energy from that area, you go into that forest. Usually I go to the forest or a wooded area, and I put 2 slits in the bag, say my prayers, and as I'm exiting from the forest, that's when you put the 2 slits in the bag, and squeezing the ashes out onto the ground. Don't look back, and say your prayers. So the elements and that's in that area will take those energies. I thought I saw something. And make sure your stuff is even going through further to a different process, to the next level. Oh, okay, I'm tripping. But yeah, so get you some ancestor money. This will help build your financial wealth. This will help clear the debt of your ancestors. You could do some more research for yourself where to get it. If you need some, let me know. I got you. But yeah, burn some ancestor money. I've been doing this now since 2016. Well, actually, let me say this. Shout out to Coach Kaye. He was the first person that ever gave me some ancestor money back in 2000. I want to say 13, or I went to a sweat lodge, and it might have been before that. But he gave me one. And I didn't know what it was about. I wasn't concerned about the Jade Emperor, but we, did a little ceremony, or we were at, I forgot, we was at the Sweat Lodge here in Atlanta. And afterwards, he gave me one of these. So shout out to him, because ever since that moment, my life has just been expanding in a positive way. So yeah, does this work? Yes, it does. Just get you some. You can order some online. Type in either Josh Money, JOSS, or Ancestor Money, and it'll come up. Don't worry, soon I have some on my website. You can get some from me. All right, but yeah, get you some Ancestor Money. Does it work? Yes, yes, yes. Listen to your mantras and start tapping into your higher self and to your ancestors. You can't begin anything. You got to give thanks to them. Yes, give thanks to yourself, but be aware that they led the way for you. And a lot of their karma and debt you're taking on. So if you're the one that's watching this right now, you're probably the one in your family that has to break the chain of poverty, or, you know, you just want to break the chain of just more success and financial wealth. Because it doesn't have to, you don't have to just burn it because, you know, you're not financially in a situation where you want to be. But even when you are, which I am now, and things are going so much better, I'm grateful. I just keep growing and growing. I still burn it. I think I'm going to just be burning this to the day I transcend to the next level. But it does work. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Actually, they come in different denominations. Here's a big one. See? This is a real big one. I don't know, I'm about to end it. I ain't even show y'all the good stuff. See? See the big one? And then you write on the back your intentions. So something big like this, you put in everything. You want to be Pacific as possible. It was something I wanted to share with you guys. But yeah, oh, what I say when I'm writing on it, that's what I wanted to share. So usually what I do is I say, to my ancestors, known and unknown, whose blood and DNA run through me. You know, I give you thanks. I give you praise, honor, and respect. Love, light, warmth, compassion. Or you can use it to someone that passed away and you want to send them some ancestor money. You can burn it for whomever or whatever. But it really does work. And the bigger, the stronger it is. See? You can burn this. I'm about to write on this. Enhance that business that's about to come through. So, get you some big guns. All right? Yeah, that was what else I had to show you. So, thanks for watching. This was just a quick one take. I don't even care. Some mistakes, but hey, that's how life is. Just be amazing and be you. Thanks for watching, all right? Thank you for watching.